Hopefully they last forever. Again, many factors can play into this. We're a big fan of the Rockeries and the block walls because they're not a product that will rot. Oftentimes, people will build a retaining wall out of railroad ties or wood. In fact, we've done it in cases where there's just no way to get any other type of material in there. A wooden retaining wall might last you 20 years if you're lucky. The Rockeries, if they were built correctly, had a drain system, they really should be indefinite. Sometimes the stones, because they're a natural product, sometimes the freeze and thaw cycles can crack some of the rocks, and in some cases you have to do some repairs, but typically that could be as much as 30 to 50 years down the road. If that doesn't happen, we've seen retaining walls in good shape that are 100 years old. Block walls, because they're not as big and heavy as Rockeries, seem to fail a little bit sooner. But again, if they were built correctly, good base, good compacting, good drain system, they really should be indefinite. They should be there as long as, forever. If you'd like to learn more about New Life Rockeries, please contact us and we'd be happy to provide a free consultation.